All right, viewers, we shift our focus to Maharashtra now. And of course, it all boils down to what's happening in the national capital as the Mahayuti leaders, Ajit Pawar, Eknath Shinde and Devendra Fadnavis, all are set to meet the top brass, the BJP top brass, Amit Shah and JP Nadda, to chair this key meeting. And Devendra Fadnavis, in around 15 to 20 minutes from now, is going to hold that meeting. JP Nadda, Amit Shah will be holding discussions. And after that, we'll see Eknath Shinde also being part of the meeting. And thereafter, around 7 to 8 p.m., Ajit Pawar will be meeting the top brass of the BJP, and the Mahayuti leaders will be, of course, zeroing in on who will be the chief minister and, of course, the cabinet berths. That, of course, is the one, that is the angle to watch out for. My colleague Riyanka is joining us live on the broadcast from the national capital. Riyanka, tell us, what are you picking up? Of course, the suspense is still continuing while the front runner, the top favorite, remains Devendra Fadnavis for the CM position. But of course, there is going to be the allocation of the cabinet berths that everybody has their eyes on. Riyanka, if you can hear me, there's a meeting that is going to take place. Home Minister Amit Shah and Fadnavis are all set to meet in a few minutes from now. And it will be followed by a meeting with Eknath Shinde and Ajit Pawar thereafter.
Right. We are all here giving in a countdown for this mega meet of the Mahayuti leaders who will be coming in a short while from now. As per our sources, we know that around 6:30 we are expecting Devendra Fadnavis to come in and meet Home Minister Amit Shah. These are tentative times. Also, on the other hand, at around 7 p.m. We are expecting Eknath Shinde, who is the caretaker chief minister of Maharashtra, and at around 9 p.m. as per the press conference by Ajit Pawar, he has said that around 9 p.m. he will be meeting Home Minister Amit Shah, and that there is going to be a dinner arrangement at the Home Minister's residence. I'm currently standing just outside the residence, and the security is quite beefed up here. This is a usual security arrangement that we see outside Amit Shah's residence, but yes, there are protocols that are being maintained. But yes, all eyes are on this big meeting, given the big suspense who is going to be the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, which name is going to come up. One side, we know that Eknath Shinde has given full support to the fact, whatever is the, decision of the top leadership, he will be supporting, Sena will be supporting on that front. So that side becomes clear. So who is going to be the chief minister? That, decision will be taken in today's meeting. Also, the portfolios that will be given, keeping in mind the allies in this very alliance of the Mahayuti, who of the NCP and from the Sena and also from the BJP, what is going to be the portfolio looking like? That is something that will be decided in this crucial meeting that is set to begin. Around 6:30 to 9 is the tentative timeline of these leaders arriving here outside Amit Shah's residence. We will be keeping a very, very close eye on that.
All right, so the government formation, what's the inside scoop, if you can just tell our viewers about the formula that will be adopted? Will it continue with the 2 deputy chief ministers and 1 chief minister? And if so, do they also continue with the cabinet berths that even Ajit Pawar was holding, like the finance ministry and the Eknath Shinde, the urban development ministry, and home remains with Devendra Fadnavis if he happens to be the chief minister?
Absolutely. In order to chalk out, those final decisions, which is why this meeting has been called in at the Home Minister's residence, where, all these questions will be answered, whether or not the same ministries are going to be with the same people, whether or not the same, portfolios will be given to the people that has been continuing in the alliance in the previous time, whether or not it will be Shinde who will be taking over as a deputy chief minister, whether or not he will remain as a chief minister. A lot of suspense is going around this. So that is what is going to be decided in today's meeting, which is why it is quite crucial. And then after that, the developments will be coming in, and an official, official decision will be given out.
Right, of course, all eyes will be on that mega announcement. Will it be made today or tomorrow? That, of course, remains to be seen. Thank you so much, Riyanka, for joining us with those details coming in on that story. We'll keep a track of minute-by-minute developments from the national capital with those series of meetings lined up.